far back as it landed on American shores, the Nissan GT-R has persistently turned out to be all the more effective and more able, which is useful for aficionados. It has additionally turned out to be more costly step by step, which is less useful for aficionados. This year, nonetheless, Nissan is presenting another unadulterated trim level that indeed slips the cost of admission to the GT-R world underneath the $100,000 check. All things considered, pretty much. The 2018 Nissan GT-R Pure records for $99,990, or $101,685 with its compulsory gold charge. Be that as it may, that is as yet a really enormous markdown. A year ago, the least expensive GT-R was the $111,685 premium trim level. This year, the 2018 premium model expenses $112,185. Costs for different forms of the GT-R have likewise risen somewhat for the 2018 model year. The track edition now costs $130,185, an expansion of just $500. The 600 horsepower GT-R Nismo is additionally now $500 pricier, at $177,185.